plan your trip to Kelly Tarltons, let us save you a few surprises. We tested the buses, ramps, toilets, and everything in between. Our Kelly Tarltons adventure began at the Warkworth transport hub. The 995 pulled in, the driver aced the ramp, and we were rolling to Hibiscus Coast. Every adventure needs a refueling stop. Keleb chose hot chocolate, Dad chose coffee, and Coastal Cafe chose kindness. Safe to say all three made the journey a little better. Another green light for Hibiscus Coast. After a friendly wave from our bus driver, it was time to see if Hibiscus Coast bus station's accessible toilet passed the test. Is it accessible or is it a trap? Hibiscus Coast toilet gets a red light from me. My chair got stuck, my leg got banged, and this bog needs help. Toilet drama survived, dignity mostly intact. We rolled onto the NX1 from Hibiscus Coast to Britomart. Hey, there's me. And then I remembered the legend of a marine security guard we met earlier. Then we got lunch from Commercial Bay, a roll across Britomart transport hub to nice ferry views, good vibes, and birds acting like they were on the booking list. From Britomart, we rolled onto the TāmakiLink and headed for Kelly Tarlton's fish, sharks, stingrays, and hopefully no toilet rescue team needed. AT gets the green dot today. The bus behaved. The bog did not. A wharf detour, ocean views, fresh air. We officially made it and spotted another wheelchair. Green light, access crew assemble. Ramp, solid. Rails, space, easy roll. That's a green dot. Stingrays, here we come. Bus arrival, smooth. Ramp, easy. Staff, awesome. That's a green dot. Next stop, penguins. Tiny birds, fancy suits, big attitude. Turtle feeding looked easy, until my hands had to go full superhero stretch. Tunnel time sharks, stingrays, and my wheelchair pretending it's a submarine. Sea life magic, but access magic. The glide by like the stingray stole the show. Those are my thoughts. Anyway, the access, the vibe, and movement was smooth. A big green dot for me. Fun score? Shark gold. Staff vibe, gold standard. Super professional, just calm, kind, and onto it. Cafe was good even after our bird-sponsored entree outside. Usual treats, hot food, kid-friendly vibes. Food gets a yellow dot, good potential, but the staff vibe carried the plate. Kelly Tarlton's toilet gets a green dot for space, and the blue underwater vibe was actually epic. My caregiver said it still needs an adult changing table, so it's not gold standard, but I'm giving it a big green dot. A toilet that hit the spot, unlike the Hibiscus Coast bog. Leaving turned into a side quest, the lift broken, so we rolled through the whole place again. Hold tight for my final verdict. Final verdict time. Transport green, smooth trip, and the bus drivers nailed the ramps. Hibiscus Coast toilet, red, never again. Moving on. Entry, easy. Movement inside, gold. Staff, legends, price, good. But access has to be affordable too. The fun factor, giant green dot, sharks, penguins, and that stingray showed up like Moana. Food, decent, but not the star of the show. Kelly Tarlton's toilet, good space, epic blue underwater vibes, but it needs an adult changing table to go gold. Exit, tricky. Broken lift meant a bonus aquarium lap, but staff handled it like pros. Overall verdict, green dot, not perfect. Still epic. Great staff, great access, and one stingray that stole the whole review. Comment your verdict and follow for the next real access test.